Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have a new installation for the RAV4. If you have a RAV4, you know about this problem. A lot of wind noise when you're driving. Probably the wind noise goes from here, from everywhere on the door. Seals, they're not really good. And this is not a luxury vehicle, this is a daily. For the price range on these crossovers, don't expect it to be a Rolls Royce. That's why if you have one, you know how loud the wind noise is. And probably it's everything in here on this area. I went online, I get this Taco Marine from Amazon. This is gonna be the weather seal. I'm gonna put all the way around on both sides. Really easy, and right now it's really dark. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on today, and we're gonna finish this episode tomorrow morning. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Let's see if we reduce the noise. I'm not gonna do a before and after on this episode because this episode is just for my guys with the RAV4s. If you have a RAV4, you know. And I'm gonna put it on. Hopefully I got enough. I already cleaned everything in the door, but I already cut it in half. So I don't have a lot, probably I have like what, 3.5 feet, something like that. And this is gonna be enough probably to put it from the door. I think it's gonna be enough for the two front doors. I should have ordered double the size so I can cover everything, but it's okay. Here on the door, probably the wind noise is coming from here. When I'm driving, I notice the wind from this side, but just to be sure, I'm gonna put it from here right in there, go along all the way here, all the way on the top, whatever I can reach, all the way on the back. So that's where we have this seal. So I'm gonna try to match it where it goes, because I know when you close the door, I don't think you can see it from there, but when you close it, it seals all the way in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it right there, and tomorrow morning we're gonna take it for a spin. Okay guys, I have it on from here all the way, and I run out right there. Now let's see how the door closes. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. I don't think you can see it right there, but it's perfect with the one on the door. And welcome to the next day. Okay, right now I'm doing 50, 60, I still can hear the noise, not like before. Hopefully you can catch that. And like I said yesterday, you don't have a Rolls Royce. Probably the wind is coming from the glass, but I know it's a little bit less than before. I can hear the difference, but not like crazy. I don't think this is gonna do much on this. Probably it's the glass, and I have crossbars on top, so that's where probably the wind noise is coming to, because I just put my crossbars on my Accord and I can hear the difference. It's a lot of wind noise now with the crossbars, so I think that's the wind noise that I'm hearing right now. But I think it's from the window. Okay guys, and just to finish, I'm really not impressed with this weather seal. It didn't do much. Maybe I need to put it all the way around, but the wind noise is right here on the front. And if you want to do this installation, it's up to you guys. For me, I think it didn't do much. So I leave you with that. I hope you like this little episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.